Hi there! In this video, we will walk you through the process of adding a recipe or ingredient code. Assigning a unique code to your recipes and ingredients makes it easier to search and organize your database efficiently. To add a new recipe, log into your account and navigate to the Recipes section in the menu. Click on Add New Recipe and enter the name of your recipe. Locate the field labeled Recipe Code and input a unique code of your choice. This can be a combination of letters and numbers that make sense to you. Fill in the remaining recipe details. Once you have completed all the necessary fields, click Save to store your recipe with the assigned code. To add a new ingredient, navigate to the Custom Ingredients section in the menu and click on Add New Ingredient. Enter the name of the ingredient and find the Ingredient Code field. Input a unique code that will help you identify the ingredient quickly. Complete the additional fields, then click Save to store your ingredient with the assigned code. To search for recipes and ingredients using codes, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the recipe or ingredient code you are looking for, and the system will quickly filter and display the exact item.